Yeah, I'm dripping junket.
When you wanna vape something new, there's only one thing you should do. Get onto YouTube and view Ralfy's Juice of the Week.
How are we all doing? Ralphy here, Ralphy's Reviews, Team Knucklehead. It's that fucking time again. It's Juice of the Week time. Now we're a little bit early, and there's a reason for that. Fuck about this tower desolator. I ain't put it down all week. The only other thing I've been using is my fucking trusty duster. It's fucking bob on. Anyway, there's a reason that this week's Juice of the Week is coming to you early. It looks proper foggy in here to me. There's a storm, there's fucking snowing, it's fucking freezing fucking cold. I don't know what's going on. It's like the end of the fucking world. Behind the scenes at Knucklehead HQ, we have been working tirelessly to produce our latest, newest own brand product, and it is this week's fucking Juice of the Week. Cop for that fucker. We have done our own juice shots that you mix up at home for fucking ages and ages and ages. Before that, we always used to make juice, but the TPD came in and we weren't sure how it was going to go, so we withdrew it. Then we went on to juice shots once the dust had settled about a year ago. Now, we're fucking only doing short fills, isn't we? We've got them all. OG, King George, Brain Fog, Lady fucking P, not Lady P, Lady P, there is a difference, Milk Teeth, the Governor, of course, yeah, Sind, and last but by no means least, Just. If you're not familiar, you're fucking missing out. By far, our best seller, juice-wise, is our own juice shots. TPD compliant, concentrate, ready blended. You add your own VG, you add nicotine if you want it, shake it up, let it steep, or vape and fucking bake, that's what I do. Now, do the fucking short fills. 100ml in a 120ml bottle. You can add 1 or 2 10ml, 18mg shots to get your nicotine up. I use 1 because I like about 1.5, 2 milligrams. 2's going to give you 3. Shake it, vape it. Bob's your fucking uncle. So this week's Juice of the Week is our very own Knucklehead Vapes Shortfill collection. You heard it here fucking first. They will be available to buy from Sunday night. It is now Saturday, March the 17th. They go on general sale on Sunday, March the 18th. Fill your fucking boots. Yep. We're going to make them, as is our ethic. They will be produced in batches, probably a batch a month. So if they're out of stock, sign up for an email. When they get back in stock, don't fucking miss out. There you go. Let me have a quick vape. Fucking Just. Fucking, it's my Lizzie's favourite. She's been vaping this every day for fucking years since I first blended it. Anyway, there you go. Ralphie's Juice Shots, Juice of the fucking Week. I'll put a link in. There won't be any in stock, but sign up for email notifications. As soon as they are in stock, you can fucking get them. Easy peasy, squeeze of the lemons. Cheers then, thanks for coming. I don't need to sing the praises. Really, really, really fucking well established. Like I said, as far as juice goes, they're our best seller by fucking far. The juice shots are. Now we're doing short fills. Fucking fill your boots. Ready to fucking vape. Add a shot of Nick or 2 if you like it. If not, fucking don't. Can't go wrong, can you? They're a winner, chicken fucking dinner. Yeah, bob on, you will be straight on the fucking front of that steam train to fucking Flavortown. Can't fucking believe it. Well chuffed, ever so proud of everyone that's helped us. The fucking artwork is sensational by our very own Steve Fluffy Foster, our head designer that worked with the duster mats and the duster boxes and all that. Fucking lovely. Abso-fucking-lutely. Bob on. There you go. This week's Juice of the Week is a brand new release. It's Knucklehead Vape's Shortfill collection. You heard it here first. Thanks for watching. Remember, people, smoking kills, vaping saves lives. Which do you fucking choose? Have a great one, and I'll see you all again really fucking soon.